Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to add Google Fonts to your Squarespace website. Let's get started. First, log into your Squarespace account. If it's your first time here, click Create Account in the upper right corner. You can continue with Google, your business email, or other options like Apple or Facebook. Follow the on-screen instructions, and you'll be ready to start. Adding Google Fonts gives you more typography options than Squarespace's default fonts. You can choose fonts that perfectly match your brand style, adjust the size, weight, and style, and make your website look professional and unique. Now, go to Google Fonts and select the font you want. For example, we'll use this font. You can either download the font or get the embed code directly. Click Embed, then copy the code provided. Next, go back to your Squarespace dashboard. Navigate to Utilities, Website Tools, Custom CSS. Paste the code you copied from Google Fonts into the editor, then click Save. After that, save your changes, and now your website will show the new Google font. Google Fonts works on any device and browser, so your site's typography will look consistent for everyone visiting your site. This method ensures your Squarespace website has a clean, professional look while reflecting your brand identity. And that's it. You've successfully added a Google font to your Squarespace site, making it more customized, readable, and visually appealing. Thank you for watching.